Hello. Now today we're going to configure static NAT on a Cisco router. So in this activity we'll continue the configuration of the Cisco 1841 ISR router for the customer network by configuring NAT. The customer needs to provide a global IP address for the customer server because the internal network has been configured with private address range. Static NAT is needed to translate the customer server private IP addresses to a public IP address. Okay, both executive passwords and user will be Cisco. So step one, we got to configure the static NAT. So from the customer workstation, we're going to use a console cable. Okay, we're going to use a console cable to get to the router. So first we got to get one of those. Alright, now we're going to log into the customer router from the terminal. And it's just automatically at the switch. Let's see what we do. Oh, we want... Oh, we took this to the wrong. Okay, yeah, that's what happened. Alright, we need to delete. That cable. Now we're going to go back and get that cable again from the customer router. Okay, now we'll go in here and get that open, get the terminal, okay, and Word, now we're at customer router. Now we need to enter a global big mode, so and all the way into configuration mode. So alright, now we need to interface inside fast Ethernet. Now we got to configure the next interface for the router for the serial. On the outside. And we'll exit that. Now we're going to configure static NAT mapping that maps the internal 192.168.1.10 address to the external address. So from customer router config, we need this command. And then we can exit. Okay. Now we can close the terminal. And from the ISP workstation. We're going to open up a command prompt, and we are going to ping and we're getting a reply. Yep. And that's all there is to that. That's configuring static NAT on a Cisco router.